Good to go.
Alright. Ready?
Ready?
Did you already aim it up?
No. Well, it's close. There you go. 1, 2, 2.
Oh, it's so hard.
Dude, it got really cold.
That'd be a great way to wake up in the morning. Did I tell you that before?
Yeah, you did.
Can't find stuff.
Yeah, because we were gonna drag. We were sleeping here. We were gonna drag you out in the morning, and that's how we were gonna wake you up.
That's what I give the world.
I just want to see just you. The initial hit in the face is the funniest thing. You're like,
It's not
no!
And then you can't breathe, so you're just like.